Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, and yeah, today's my birthday. If you watched yesterday's video, and I've got a little surprise up my sleeve. I gave you a little hint yesterday saying that it would involve an Aston Martin and a racetrack. That's all I really gave you guys. Something I've had planned for quite some time, and it's finally happening. Really excited, but I wanted to keep it a surprise for you guys. So in yesterday's video I gave you a small little hint saying it involves an Aston Martin and a racetrack. So that's all I'm going to say for the moment. Today is my birthday. I'm not going to say how old I am, but another year has passed me by. I thought, why not use what I've got planned and plan it around my birthday and have a little breakaway, really. So you're going to see me drive an Aston Martin Vantage around Silverstone. It's not my first time in Aston Martin Vantage. My good friend Brian took me around in his Aston Martin Vantage up the Shelsley Walsh hill climb last year at Supercar Fest, and I've got some more news on Supercar Fest. That'll be for a different video. Speaking of videos, this video may come or may come before the actual video of my driving experience. The car itself, I believe, has 360 degree recording, so you'll be able to watch it on your smartphone in 360 degrees, but I'm not sure if this video will be uploaded before or after, so do keep your eyes out for both videos. But yeah, it's as I said, it's my birthday. I have to be quite quiet this morning because it's like 6 AM in the morning, but yeah, I'm really excited. I can't wait to bring you guys along for the journey. Had some breakfast to eat, and we're on our way to a circuit now to go do a bit of racing. That's my first couple of laps in the Aston Martin. Never actually driven an Aston Martin before. I've been a passenger of one at Supercar Fest last year. Just getting the feel for the car. Of course, it's rained overnight, so the track is a bit slippy. But hopefully I'll do better on my next round, which will be coming up shortly. So let's see how I do. great experience. As you can see behind, there's an Aston Martin Vantage over there. I've also got my card here for my driver assessment. Did quite well actually, as you can see. The only point I could improve on was braking, which I got a B in, but all the others I got an A. So yeah, it was a great experience, had great fun, and a great way to start my birthday.